Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to iron a pant. Start by laying the pant flat on the board and smoothing with your hands. Iron pockets and waistband first to avoid creases. Press the legs in sections, using steam for cotton and a low setting for synthetics. Finish with a light spritz and hang immediately to preserve the crease and avoid new wrinkles. Gather your tools before you begin so the process flows smoothly. Fill the iron and set the temperature according to the label, and plug in early to reach full heat. Arrange a clean board and keep a spray bottle for dampening tough areas. Use a pressing cloth on delicate fabrics and test a small area first to prevent shine or scorch marks while you work. Work methodically on each leg to achieve a crisp result without damage. Lay the leg flat, align seams, and smooth from top to bottom before pressing. Use steady, even strokes and a bit of steam on stubborn areas to relax fibers. For a formal look, create a crease by folding along the seam and pressing firmly, then hang the pant to set the crease and cool properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.